Greetings and welcome to Cooking with the Count. This morning we're going to make a French toast that's going to knock your socks off. My daughter loves French toast, and one day she asked me for French toast, but I didn't have any regular white bread. My wife loves this bread called Dave's Killer Bread. You can find it in most grocery stores. This is not a plug for Dave's Killer Bread, but it is an essential ingredient to making probably the best French toast you'll ever have in your life. This is full of seeds. It says good seeds, heavily textured and saintly flavored. It really is an incredible bread. So, to get started, I'm going to start with my eggs. Again, that's what I love about farm fresh eggs. Some of them are as hot as a rock and you can't get into them, and the other ones will turn around and break right off in your hands. You're going to want about 2 eggs per toast. That bread is very, very, very heavy bread. The seeds are incredible. Like I said, we don't just make a couple. The nice part is too is make some extras. They freeze well, or they'll stay in the refrigerator for a few days, and you can just heat them up real fast. It's really a delicious French toast. We're gonna have a little bit of fun with this. Anyway, with that, you're gonna want your cinnamon, organic vanilla, sugar. I'm doing it in a pie plate because it's so much easier to dip your bread, and you can actually leave it in there while the other one's cooking. It absorbs a good amount of eggs. Like I said, this is not your typical, little French toast you can eat, 12 slices. This one here is really good. Anyway, I'm gonna beat this up and we'll begin making them. So I won't bore you with just stirring the ingredients. I'll see you shortly. We're gonna heat up our pan and we're gonna create some of the most delicious French toast you've ever had in your life. So let's have some fun. Get this butter to melt. Now I use butter almost exclusively for this. And I'm actually going to bring this up close so you can actually see what I'm talking about. This is full of seeds. And it is just an incredible bread. It's a very dense bread. All I can say is Dave really did a great job putting this bread together. I'm going to soak it up real good. Turn this down. I want my bread to soak up some of that beautiful deliciousness. The eggs and the cinnamon, a little bit of sugar, really does make a delicious French toast. Okay. As you can see, 2 pieces of French toast fit perfectly in this pie plate. Fire up a little bit. Still trying to get used to this new camera system. It follows me around the kitchen, so Shannon doesn't have to hold the camera anymore. Needless to say, she's pretty happy about that part. I've just got to get used to having this thing have its own mind. But anyway, I have a sign in my office that says, "The ear is human. To really screw up, you need a computer." Well, this new computerized camera is pretty cool, but like anything else that's new, you got to get used to it. Oh yeah. Oh, that's pretty. Let that butter. Oh, that smell is incredible. I can smell the cinnamon, and it really looks good. I think you're going to enjoy making this for your family. It's not hard, it's just a few ingredients, but the flavor is just incredible. Get them nice and golden brown. Looks like heaven to me. Pretty. I like to flip them a few times, just for the simple fact that it's such a dense bread, and it really does hold quite a bit of egg mixture, that I want to make sure that it's, you know, well cooked all the way through. Okay, we're going to plate this up, and we'll be right back. Well, as you can see, this is an incredible, delicious breakfast. With that, thank you for joining us with Cooking with the Count. We look forward to seeing you next time. Please subscribe, that little button right down there. Yeah, I need that. That helps us out tremendously. Share it with your friends and make this for your family. I think they'll be over the top grateful, and it's nutritional. God bless. Thank you again, and bon appetit.